Hello everyone, myself Pratika here, and this is our first project-based learning activity. Our project is on cryptography using Python. My project partner is Kaivan Sheikh. Our project was under the guidance of Professor Atul Kothare. Let's see what is a cryptography. This is a method of protecting information and communication through the use of code. It is also called as secret writing. The purpose of to convert a message referred to as plain text into a random text referred to as ciphertext. For cryptography, we use encryption and decryption. Encryption is a conversion of plain text into a ciphertext, and decryption is reverse of the encryption. Encryption process consists of algorithm and keys. The algorithm will produce different output depending on specific key being used at time. We made simple program for crypto machine. So this is our program. We use one of the oldest and the most famous cipher, which is Caesar cipher, which was named after the Julius Caesar. Now let's run our program. After running a program, we see enter the message. I will write hello, welcome to our project. So our message is converted into ciphertext. Into next line, the ciphertext is converted into message. So I would like to conclude that encryption can be used for security purposes. Thank you.